I'm Eduard from Elegant Teams, and in this video, which I hope it will not be too long, I'm going to show you how to use Wpml plugin to translate um your Divi website, including how to use it in Theme Builder. For that, all you need to have installed is of course, the Wpml plugin, the string translation add-on, and the translation management add-on. Everything else it's optional, so only those three needs to be translated. So I just installed those three plugins, and I'm going to go ahead and configure the Wpml plugin. So my main language here it's English, and I will add a second language, which is my natal language, which is Romanian. For the language switcher, it doesn't matter. I will just output it into my footer because I need a way to um, choose between languages. Okay, so those options doesn't really matter too much. Okay, I don't want to send any information, and the registration is already registered. So at this moment my W plugin is also configured. I get here a notice about the WooCommerce multi-language because I have WooCommerce installed, but I don't need that. I also don't need to set the media language, but if you want, you can set it, no problem. So now let's check a few options right here to make sure that everything is correct. It's correct. Okay. So under themes and plugin localization, we can check here everything is correct. Setup and translation management. I will choose just users on this website, or since I'm the only user, I'll choose this. I want to select this type of translation because I don't work with any translator or stuff like that, so I'm just going to use this one, and I'm done. Okay, under settings we need to make some changes here. So under custom fields, translation, custom meta, custom post type, here is really important that, as you can see here, those are set to not be translatable. Okay, but I need to be everything here I need to be translatable. So I'm going to simply choose this. So doing this, I'm going to be able to have different theme builder layouts for my languages. Okay, taxonomies, also make sure that everything is set to be translatable. And now I can, oops, I didn't save those changes. So make sure you save your changes. Okay, so save now. Perfect. Okay, so at this point I'm ready to start creating my templates and stuff like that. So for this video, I'm just going to create a different footer. In terms of layout will be the same, but in terms of content it will be different. So first of all, I'm going to go to the theme builder, And let's say I'm going to create, you can also use a global footer, no problem. But for the sake of this video, let's say that I'm going to create a footer for all my pages. And it will be a pretty simple two-column layout with an image on the right or left, I'm not sure, and the text module. But it doesn't matter the layout, because the same process can be used no matter how complicated your layout will be. So first of all, I'm going to add a simple image here. I think I'm going to use this one, and here I'm going to simply add the text module. And for the text itself, I'm going to say that this is the English footer, and I'm going to yeah, maybe let's try to add some first of all, I like to remove the spacing on my section, and also add a yellow background, I don't know, and maybe make this text a little bit bigger under design, text, and let's increase the text size. And why not, let's make them to be all perfectly centered. So going here, spacing, no, sorry, sizing, use column, and for the second column, which is the shortest one, I'm going to say align self center. And now my content in this column will be perfectly centered aligned depending on the amount of content I have here. So I'm happy with this footer. I'm going to save it. And I'm going to exit this and save that. So now what I would like to do here from this point on is I can now either change to Romanian language and redo the same process of creating my footer, or I can simply edit my layout, my footer layout, and I need to pause this for a second.